If you've heard of Maine Career and Technical Education, you know that it's an incredible way for high schoolers to learn valuable trades. But the 27 centers around the state also offer a lot more. Whatever their area of interest, students can find an immersive, stimulating program to explore their passion and get equipped with real-world skills. CTE offers programs like pre-engineering, computer science, media arts, even business and marketing. CTE students spend a part of every week surrounded by like-minded kids who share their interest, being mentored by incredible teachers with industry experience. Many CTE programs even offer college credit, giving students an amazing head start as they move into their next chapter. Having practical skills as part of your education is more important than ever. Career and technical education is the perfect way for Maine high schoolers to challenge themselves and prepare for rewarding career paths.